Hi, I'm Lori with Solo Homesteader. I thought I would show my face, even though I really didn't want to. I'm just out and about today working on some projects, like always, and enjoying the day. It's so beautiful. And in my cedar forest here, next to my old cabin that I love so much. Putting away the stuff from winter and picking up all the twigs and branches and trees that have come down. And I'm gonna go get my propane burner going. Just want to show you what I've been doing. In case you haven't ever used one of those, I thought I'd show you how to do that too. So what do you think, Nevada? Let's turn this around. So I thought we'd go for a little walk down the stairs here to my garden. See if I can turn this around. Let's go, girl. Let's go down the stairs. I'm just starting to get the garden going. There's things that are coming back volunteer right now, like onions and carrots, rhubarb that comes up every year, thankfully. And who knows what else I'm going to find in there, but right now it's got a long ways to go. Just starting to stir the dirt a little bit. It's so nice to have some sunshine. Unfortunately, I had to put that sweet little sign up. People think they're on a highway on my driveway. And this is the driveway. You can hear that creek down there. Love this time of year. There's a road and then the creek. Things are going to start getting really pretty around here now. I've got some repair work to do to that fence. I had a controversial creature in there. To me, they are not, but a lot of people don't believe they exist.